Hello, welcome to our clothing construction theory class, and I'm Madam Sharon Cheptum, and we are discussing about fasteners. The lesson objectives. By the end of the lesson, the learner should be able to define the terms used in fasteners, name factors to consider when choosing fasteners, and to describe the different types of fasteners. We are going to start by the definition of the term fasteners. A fastener refers to the devices or components used to securely join or connect two or more objects together. In the context of clothing and textiles, fasteners are essential elements that serve both functional and aesthetic purposes. They are used to close and secure various parts of garments, allowing for easy dressing and undressing, while also contributing to the overall design and style of the clothing. Common types of fasteners in fashion include we have the zippers, button, snaps, hooks and eyes. We have the Velcro, buckles, toggles, and more. The choice of the fastener depends on the design, functionality, and the material of the garment, as well as the desired aesthetic effects. We have the different types of fasteners. We have the zippers, we have the buttons, we have the snaps, we have the Velcro, buckles, we have the hooks and eyes. Factors to consider when choosing fasteners. Number one is the garment type and style. Consider the type of the garment, i.e., the shirts, the dress, the pants, etc., and its style when selecting a fastener. Certain fasteners may be more suitable for casual wear, while others are appropriate for formal or specialized garments. Fabric type and weight. Different fabrics may require different types of fasteners. For instance, heavy fabrics may need more robust fasteners, while delicate fabrics may require gentler closures. Consider the weight of the thickness and drape of the fabric when choosing a fastener to ensure it can withstand the material. We have the functionality. Evaluate the functional requirement of the garment. For example, ease of opening and closing, adjustability, and security are crucial considerations. Choose fasteners that align with the practical needs of the garment, such as zippers for a secure closure or snaps for quick fastening. Number four, we have the aesthetic consideration. Fasteners contribute to the overall aesthetic of the garment. Consider the visual impacts of the fastener on the design. Match the style. We have the color and size of the fastener to complement the garment's overall look. Number five, we have the durability and wearability. Assess the durability of the fastener, especially in high stress areas like closures or pants or jackets. Consider how often the fastener will be used and ensure that it can withstand the regular wear and washing. Ease of installation. Some fasteners may be more challenging to install than others. Consider your skill level and tools required for installation. Mhm. We have the cost. Different fasteners come with varying costs. Consider the overall budget for the garment, including the cost of the fasteners. Balance cost consideration with the desired quality and functionality. We have accessibility. Consider the ease of use of the garment wearer, especially for items that need to be put on or taken off frequently. Ensure that the fastener is accessible and user-friendly for individuals with varying level of dexterity. We have different types of zippers. We have the invisible zipper, which is not, it is concealed. It is designed to be concealed within a seam, making it almost invisible from the outside when properly installed. We have the visible zipper. It is sewn in a way that the zipper teeth are visible from the outside. We have the metal zipper. Metal zippers are known for their durability and strength. They are very strong and they may commonly used in rugged or heavy duty applications like jackets. You have the jeans and the bags. We have the separating zippers, also known as an open-ended zipper is designed to be completely separate into two pieces when unzipped. This is mostly used on jackets. We have the parts of a zip. We have different parts of a zip. We have the stops. We have the top slide. We have the pull. We have the tape. We have the thick, and we have the lower stop. Lower stop. It comes in different colors. We have going to discuss about buttons. Buttons, there are different types of buttons according to the number of holes. We have two-hole button. We have the four-hole. We have the button with a shank, and we have a three-hole button. We have the button with the shank. We have the normal one made with a shank, and we can also create our own shank. Here you see, as you can see my cursor, here is a two-hole button. This one too is a two-hole. This one is a four-hole button. And this one is the button with a shank. We also have the three-hole buttons. And we have the buttons the button with the hole which we may make using the thread. Learn more about it and come up with the notes. We have the Velcro, which is also a type of fastener. It has different parts. We have the hook. The hook side of Velcro consists of tiny stiff hooks that protrude from the surface. It is usually very rough. These hooks are usually made of plastic or metal. We have the loop. The loop side is made of softer, fuzzy material with numerous small loops covering its surface. For the look, as you can see in my picture, the different parts of the Velcro, we have the release liner, we have the loop with sensitive adhesive. It is usually very rough. It's the same from the top and the bottom, but this one is slightly smooth. I have an assignment. After we've learned about the different types of fasteners, their factors to consider, their parts, I have an assignment for you. You write notes on the buckle and hook and eye with the aid of images. You describe how they work and area where they are applicable on the garment. I will check on our next lesson. Thank you and have a good day.